Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
Hello.
Hi, this is Krishnan here. I'm calling from Mumbai. I've been talk to you.
Really? Okay, your question better be snazzy.
You just crashed on your since Musafir. Oh man.
Oh.
What would be the ideal way for someone to propose you?
Wow. You know, I've actually thought about this a lot.
Uh-huh.
It would be underwater. I'm joking, but I think it has to be at a moment when I least expect it. It can't be cliched कि केक में लगा दो या champagne glass में डाल दो या Eiffel Tower के ऊपर will you marry me Sam? No. It has to be something really unique. Krishnan, thank you so much for calling.
Thank you.
समीरा, आपकी ऑन स्क्रीन पेयरिंग कई हैंडसम एंड हंकी गाइस के साथ हुई है, चाहे वो बॉलीवुड हो या टॉलीवुड, लेकिन हमने आपके फैंस से पूछा कि वो आपको किसके साथ देखना पसंद करते हैं. सो एनी गेसेस?
John Abraham maybe?
Okay, let's see.
Hi Samira, you look great with Anil Kapoor.
Sunil Shetty is more preferred one.
Sunil Shetty, yeah.
Imran Hashmi ke sath.
Arshad Varsi maybe.
There is no preference as such.
Ranveer Shori, not Ranbir Kapoor. Ranveer Shori.
I guess she looks good with Dino Moria.
On screen, she looks good with Anil Kapoor, as I've seen.
Because she was in Race.
Maybe with Hrithik Roshan also.
Mostly Anil Kapoor or Mahesh Manjrekar.
She pairs well with Sunil Shetty, Sanjay Dutt.
Maybe Akshay Kumar.
Anil Kapoor, the chemistry was really good.
Maybe with Imran Hashmi. Anil Kapoor, I think.
I really like Shah Rukh Khan. I like to see him paired up with nice girls. So I think Shah Rukh Khan it would be.
Are you surprised?
I like the Imran Hashmi bit came like
And you know, he's a serial kisser also.
I know, but I'm quite tall, so I'm wondering how, you know, it's interesting to see that pairing.
Samira, your next film, Akrosh, is coming out. Jiska item number is climbing the charts, and how? Which is your favorite step from that item number?
There's a thing where she does this and she throws her kisses.
How is that
I love it. She goes like this, like this, like this, like this, which is, it's just a very silly small step, but it's so cute.
Well, so we should take a look at that.
Yeah,
and
sure.
Slip into a short little break. We'll see you after that. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, what's your name? Where are you calling from?
Hey, I'm Pratik. I'm calling from Bangalore.
Pratik, Samira is sitting right
Pratik,
here.
I don't know what is this love affair with Bangalore that I'm having. About like 25% of my calls have been from Bangalore.
More.
So I think I need to move to Bangalore. Maybe my dream guy is in Bangalore. It's a sign. God is talking to me.
Possible. I should forward my CV.
Oh, are you single?
Yes, very much.
You can give us more of your CV now also.
I think we should make this instead of ring a star, it should be date a star.
Date a
kind of
star or
show, yeah.
something.
So what's your question, Pratik?
Wow, Samira, I have two questions. You've hardly done any movies over the past 8 years. Are you really choosy and picky? And you know, why don't we see more
I'm
of you?
actually very choosy and picky. I'll tell you why. Because I've actually been here since 2003. And if you notice, there are many actresses that actually came and went. My whole point was to never do something I didn't believe in. So wherever I did a film, whether it was a Musafir, or it was a Race, or it was a De Dhanadan, or it was a Taxi number 9 or 11, there were always films that stood out.
Okay.
So it was not about the kind of number of films that I did to say that, okay, I'm doing 3 films a year. It was more about something that really, you know, stood out and made that complete mark.
That's great. And the other question is, you do a lot of regional films as well.
Yeah.
You have to actually learn the language, so you can now speak like about 7, 8 languages. Is that one of the reasons you do the movies?
No, I'll tell you something. It's not really about going and learning the language. It was all about, you know, going and doing something in a different language. Malayalam films are remade into Hindi. Tamil films are remade into Hindi. So,
a lot of English films are remade into Hindi.
I like you, man. So, that's right.
So do send in that CV.
Yeah, seriously. What is your CV? I like you already. You sound damn cute, man. Why are you single? Why are you single?
I've been asking myself that for a long time.
Because you were waiting for this moment.
I'm going to come to Bangalore and track you down.
Done. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
All right, well, Pratik was, I think, the luckiest caller so far.
He was the cutest.
Yeah, the cutest. Figured. All right, thank you very much for joining us. And all you lovely callers out there, आप में से 3 lucky callers को मिलेगा एक special gift. तो Sameera, are you ready for that?
Okay.
3 lucky callers को मिलेंगे ये exclusive pictures from the promo of Red Alert.